Missing from that video that is kind of important to explain. I made that video back when I had pre-cut triangles in paper for you guys. But since we're not in school, I need to show you how to make the triangle the correct size. So let's pretend that this paper towel is your paper. You want your paper to be a square. So to make your paper a square, take the corner and fold it so it lines up with the edge of the paper, and then cut off the extra. So the fold stopped there, and then everything below the fold I just cut off. Yes, that's very crooked. Now I have a square piece of paper. Now I need my triangle to fill up a quarter or less of my paper. Now the easiest way to do that would be just to fold my paper in half, hot dog style or hamburger style, and then open it up, and then fold it in half again, hot dog style, so it makes a plus with the creases. So a plus, then I have to make an X with creases. So corner to corner, so it makes my little taco, I could call that. Open it up, and then opposite corner to opposite corner, opposite corner. You want to make sure you're opening it up after every fold and not doing it like a note. If you do it like a note, it won't come out right. So I folded a hot dog, a hamburger, and my 2 tacos. So I should have an X and a plus. Mine's kind of hard to see here because I'm using a paper towel. So there we go. Now I have all these little triangle sections. Trying to make it so you guys can see it better. So I can see there's a triangle right here. So that is the exact size I need my triangle paper to be. So I can take my extra that I cut off and I can match it up to this little square shape, and I can cut off the extra. Fold this guy in half to make a triangle, and then I will cut on that crease to fill up my paper. And just don't forget the little dot and your name, and then all you're going to do is you're going to trace it, flip it and trace it, flip it and trace it, so it fits those sections you created by folding it in half this way, in half this way, in half this way, and in half this way.